Hey, Nicholas here from Chefs with Benefits. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these amazing and lovely cinnamon rolls. And believe me, they are better than anything that you can buy in any store. For this recipe, we are gonna need plain flour, yeast, brown granulated and icing sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, eggs, milk, vanilla, yogurt, butter, salt, cream cheese, and an optional ingredient, a tonka bean. We begin by mixing the yeast with the milk until the yeast is activated, and in the stand mixers bowl we combine the eggs, the sugar mix, the butter, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, the milk and yeast, the yogurt, a little bit of tonka if you have it and want to use it. We bring everything together and we put it in the stand mixer with the hook attachment, and we add in 2 doses the flour until we have a nice well combined soft dough. As always, I will have down in the description the list of the ingredients, the weights and all the steps needed for this recipe. When it's ready, take it out and with a spatula scrape the sides, cover it with cling film and put it in a turn-off oven for about 3 to 4 hours until it's double in size. In the meantime, we make the filling, the granulated sugar with the brown sugar and cinnamon and nutmeg. We mix everything together, leave aside until needed, and 3 to 4 hours later we're gonna take the dough out in a well floured surface, work it a little bit with floured hands, spread more flour so it doesn't stick everywhere, and with a rolling pin open it very thin in a rectangle about half centimeter thick. Spread with a spatula the room temperature butter on top. Spread liberally the sugar and cinnamon mix on top of the butter. Roll it tight, and with the use of a string we're gonna cut even pieces of the dough. We're gonna put it in a well buttered oven dish, and we're gonna make sure that they are not touching each other because we want them to puff up. We're gonna cover them with foil and leave them aside, and in the meantime we are gonna preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. When they are nice and raised, we are gonna put them in the oven without the foil for 25 minutes until they are nice and golden brown and cooked all the way through. And then we are gonna make the glaze. We're gonna mix the milk, the icing sugar, the cream cheese, the vanilla, and we're gonna mix everything together until there are no lumps. When the rolls are out of the oven and nice and hot, spread the glaze evenly on top of it and enjoy them. Hope that you will give it a try, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and until next time, this was Chefs with Benefits.